Meera.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi,
Good
good
morning.
evening.
Good evening, everybody.
Good
This is
evening.
To
Good
a Gift.
evening.
Hi. So today is 6th June. So 6/6, and we are here at 6 o'clock. And from Bombay, we have Geeta. I should say Mumbai, right? That's
Yes.
technically
Mumbai.
correct. Mumbai, Geeta, and Anita from Dubai. I'm in
Dubai, yeah.
Dubai as well. And hey, it's great to meet like this.
Like, seriously, like we should be doing this very often, I guess. We get to meet Geeta
Yes.
also.
I hope that in a bit some of our friends of Sewer Gift will join us, and you're all encouraged to please post comments out here for us. Let me say that today we decided to talk about sports and the gifts that we made around sports. And that's why our title actually for the live was also Be a Sport. Yeah. And we are going to discuss all the various things which we made. What was the theme behind? What was the reason? What went into the making of that? And let us start now today first with Geeta. Geeta, if you give me a few seconds, I'm going to share my screen with you and the small presentation that we have. So let me just quickly go through that. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So the partners in creativity, I learned how to do Canva. Okay. All right. And Sewer Gift, personalized and customized. And why are we called partners in creativity? Because we didn't want to call ourselves partners in crime. So we're partners in creativity. Anita, Geeta, and Shambhavi. Geeta, take it on. Go ahead and talk about this tic-tac-toe, which is an indoor game. But let's talk about this for a few seconds.
Yeah. One of my friend Vidya have wanted me to make a gift for her friend's husband, and he was retiring, it was his birthday, so we wanted to give him something special. And we try to find out what are the things that he likes and what he is. So we came to know that he's a civil engineer, and he had few grandchildren as well. He loved to travel, and he likes to drive. So we thought, let's make something using all these points. And then we came up with this yellow color hat, which the engineers usually use. And then that's the house that you can see. Then we came up with this game. You can see the tic tac toe using all these houses. You can see those pathways. It is not very clear. It's the rugged way, because the civil engineer once the first time when he goes, the way is not cleared. So that is why it is shown that way. And we can actually move out those houses, and we can children can play. So when they are in the car moving with their grandfather, they can play tic tac toe in the car. So this was the thought that came across, and they all liked it so very much.
Yes. So we also had this, that because civil engineer, there are so many stories which go into the houses. We had hoped that he would share those stories with his grandchildren as whenever they played the game, and it would be time for more bonding. And I must say that this was a group gift, and it was well appreciated by the person who received it, as well as the people who gave it. And this was one of our first projects that we worked on. So coming back to this, that we always try to understand what are the hobbies of the person who's going to receive this, and what is it which would be important to them and be more significant than just a gift. Now I want to talk about this, and it's, I think, Anita who's going to tell me
Yes.
about. Wait a minute.
This
Yeah, Anita. Yeah, so it takes a few seconds, Anita, for you to be able to actually see it. Yeah, go ahead
Sure.
now. Please tell us about it.
Jayashree wanted us to make a gift. It was a birthday gift, and both husband and wife play chess. So we thought, why not? Like, the king and the queen has to be on the reading pillow. So then we came out with different fabrics. Then we tried to incorporate the check, the black and white somewhere, but they liked the chevron. So we were like, where are we going to add that? Put up a border for the pocket, and then said, long live the king and queen, definitely any day the most powerful. So that's how we came up with this, and you can all see the comments that Jayashree has put in there for us. Like, I think they were really happy receiving it. So that's
Right.
the story behind.
Right. And I should say this, that Jayashree is a chess coach as well. And when you study consumer behavior and you study gifting patterns, you see that most of the time we think about the people who we are going to give the gift to, and it's a little rare that we gift ourselves some things. But this was one thing which she wanted for her birthday, and she treated herself, which was so nice, because she chose the designs and she went through the whole process of what she wanted, including the font, which you can see on including the font. So like I said, gifting is something, depends on who you are going to and how much impact you want to make. And we help make that impact even within a small budget. So it is not really necessary. And as we go through some of our more of our products today and what we have done today with the different items, I think our audience who may or may not be live will get an opportunity to see it more and understand us better.